Innovation begins with a single idea. At every step of ideation, MakerBot has the 3D printing solutions to help guide you and give you focus. This is the power of process and iteration, the collaborative space that allows you to imagine, create, and grow. Powerful new features streamline 3D print preparation, allowing for better processes and ultimately, better results. This is the freedom of experimentation, so you can move to the next idea, constantly creating, modifying, and making. MakerBot is more than a 3D printer, and our 3D printers offer more than you'd expect. With connected accounts, you can store files in the cloud or even connect to and control multiple printers on multiple networks. Accelerate the design process and streamline your workflow with solutions built for rapid iteration and proven returns. Less debating and more trying it out. Less doubt and more conviction. Less planning, more process. MakerBot. Ideas in the making.